So how do you actually pre-order a pizza at Costco? Well, the easiest way to do so is to actually call ahead before you get there. So basically what you need to do, you can see they say it themselves on their website. Next time you're satisfying your Costco food cart craving, you call ahead to place your order and pick up pizza for a quiet night at home. So you need to basically just call ahead on that specific store that you're going to and say to them that you want to be able to pre-order a pizza. You can see here on the map exactly, like, just find the exact location that you're going to, and then you should be able to find I believe, yeah, you can see if they have services here that it says pizza, you should be able to call ahead that specific store here. As you can see all of the details right here as well, as you can see, and similar to this one right here. So just call ahead. If the services include pizza right here, you should be able to call ahead to that specific store, and then you can just place your order beforehand and they will be able to help you with it. So basically that is exactly how to do this.